here we are at the range. I've got the spotting scope and the bench rest stuff, and there's some ammo there, so we're going to go in now and set up, and my little friend will be here shortly, and we will put these 4 SAKO barrels in. So these targets, when they hit, they make a fluorescent mark. So you'll be able to tell from 100 right up the back, next to the numbers up the back there. Right, so I have 1 target for each barrel and ammunition type. Some targets, I've got my ear protection. These are the 4 different rounds. 22 mag, 17 Mark II, 17 HMR, and a Federal. These weren't very good in the pistol, so we'll see how they go here. There's the bench rest and the archery scope. So
Hi.
Here we are with Marie.
Hello.
Oh, isn't she wonderful? Now, these are the barrels that we're going to be trying out. The different barrels for each caliber with a different magazine. And there is the rifle now with the 22 in it, right there. So we're now going to go up. Let's go. Would you like to grab the targets? The target. And let's go, shall we? On a little shooting holiday. What a beautiful day. Look at that.
Hold! 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 Hold!
So there's the 50. Competition shooting is 50, but hunting is 100. Because you'll probably, with these lower calibers, you wouldn't shoot like more than 200.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So 100, you know, if it's 100 away, it's dead on. If it's 50, you work out the hash mark under.
Yeah.
And if it's more than 100, you just got to shoot higher. Yeah, you know what I mean? So.
Okay.
But then you've got to work out exactly what 100 is. So sometimes it's better to have a rangefinder with you. A bullet's path is determined by the amount of charge, that's the powder, and the weight of the projectile, which is the bullet. The firing position of the rifle is here. All 4 of these are sighted in at 0 at 100 yards. You can see they're all here at that 100-yard mark. They all pass through there. But each one has a different path after that. So you can see at 200 yards here, the 22 LR drops by 32 inches when it gets to 200, whereas the 22 Magnum drops by about 17 inches. The green line's the Hornady Mark II round. It drops by 14 inches at 200 yards. The red line's the Hornady Magnum round. It drops by 8 inches, and it's the fastest bullet. It travels at 2,550 feet per second. Usually what you do when you're shooting is you range find a few objects.
Yeah.
So when the animal's near the object, you know how far away it is. That tree's 100 away, that bush is 50, so that rock's 25, and then yeah, from there you are...
How do you know which one
we're 5.
We're 5?
Yeah. Alright, so...
Has it got a...
Behind it, I think. Directly behind. No, look. Can you see over? No, no. way, it doesn't matter. But can you see over the back? She's got to slide in
Oh, right.
to there, that's in. That slides in that way. That's it, now it comes down and it should lock into
lock
there.
in there.
If it doesn't lock into there, it could blow it out of the... That's not very good, is it? That's, oh, there you go. Ah, that's it.
And then do we need to hold it in
Yeah.
place with one of these?
Sometimes it doesn't hurt to just wedge a shotgun cartridge, a spent cartridge in there to... There we go. And that's
Is that
it.
even?
That's
Or does it need to be over a bit more?
No, it's like that.
Do you know we've got a little stand thing that you could actually put it in?
That'd be lovely.
And you sit on it, but it actually holds it up like that.
So we're going to use the 22. I used these in the pistol the other day and they were all over the place like a dog's breakfast. So I've got to assemble it there and fill these mags here. I don't know if you can see me there. See, that's much better, but these two here. So I got 10, 10, 10, 9, 8, 8, 8, 8, 6. These are bad bullets. There's something wrong with them.
Yeah, I know.
And then you put these on to get rid of the holes and we go again. That's the stuff there. We're going to try them in the rifle and see if they work. We have put 5 in that mag, so we've got 5 in that one. That's the 10 round mag and that's the 5 round mag, but we can load them both and have
That's the right way of doing
while I'm thinking we can load.
Well, you're remembering which way that you put the engine to it.
Bullet faces out.
Faces out.
And you know you've got the 5 in because your tray
Tray is only 5
is missing one row.
Push it in. And when it clicks, and then you know it's covered.
And this is the Federal Champion. Right then.
Champion. That's what they are.
Oh, thank you. See these 2 arrows? They're pointing at those small points there on the scope. That's where I put 0 for each of those 4 colours. They'll be in different places. But I only turn the windage at the top and the elevation on the side using the top, the black top there. I never touch those coloured bands again once they're set to 0 for each of the barrels. And then when I change a barrel, I just, if I'm using the green barrel, I just turn the green 0 to that point. Go.
When you hear it click, pull down, you know it's in place to release.
Okay.
And underneath will help you to release it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so you may now chamber the round.
Chamber around. Forward in. And down.
Now, do not put your finger on the trigger, but now look in and just move the rifle a little bit on the rest till it's dead set on the target.
Yeah, because it's moved off the target now.
Yeah.
So I move this piece.
No, you should be able to just shift the gun a little bit and it'll...
I should go a little.
Watch what happens when I press down. See that?
Oh, okay. So it
Yeah,
goes
so
up.
you just use pressure to get the crosshairs on. But you can't use this hand because that hand's got a fire.
Yeah.
So that elbow's coming over
Oh,
there.
coming over here. That's right.
And that one can stay right there. And as soon as you've pressured it so that the fire is on, gently squeeze the trigger. How are you going? If there were Japanese running toward us, we'd be overrun. Take the shot, take the shot. Yep, go. Ooh, you murdered it. All right, rechamber.
Okay, rechamber. lift up and pull it back, careful, because it sticks.
This is the 22 mag barrel. It's yellow, and I use this to change barrels. So we come over here. We've got the 22 barrel in at the moment, so come close because
We'll come closer and just see the identifier. How do you tell where it is?
So there we go. Go back and it's blurry. Can't expect that from an iPhone 14. Okay, move back a little bit so you can see that. And this slips out.
Slips out. Now, the identifier that you can see that as it's being slipped into place is the fact that you can see a little yellow ring.
There it is.
Now you can see the yellow ring is in place.
Seated.
And then now again.
I only want to shoot 5 or 10, is that alright, or should I wait? I don't mind waiting.
And the barrel's in.
And therefore the barrel is in, the flag goes back inside.
Thank you. So that's it. I've got the new barrel in. We're going to do 22 now, and then we just set the yellow band to the 0 at 100 meters, and Bob's your uncle. So I've got the 22 and I've got the 217 barrels right here. Two barrels, and of course there's different magazines for the different
And
gauges.
as you can see,
Go
through
on.
the barrel, you can see that with the different
Colour
rings.
coded. So we are now on to
They're
yellow.
colour-coded.
Yes, we're on to yellow, aren't we?
Yes. And then you've got the green, which we've just used, and then the next one will be the
Well,
blue.
thank you. You're making it sound like a cooking show.
Thank you.
All right then, over and out. All right, off you go.
Thank you.
Show us one of them.
Oh, very different, aren't they?
A lot bigger.
A lot bigger. And now I'm right-handed, so
These are hollow point hunting.
in, down and forward.
Yes.
I now I can understand what you're saying when you're saying you need to actually have your thumb to help push it down, because they're a bit thicker and longer.
How does that stop that?
So to be able to keep it into the
No, I've
right
got a 17
place
in that, and I'm not happy with the stop.
and help to push it in and down.
The original stop, I had a 308 ticker, which come in that, and I put it in a GRS stop. So I had that sitting in the car.
There we go.
Stock of a
That's it.
That one's loaded.
Yeah. So there's a 22,
Yeah, right. Right.
and there's a 22 Magnum there.
I went in for it.
So it's going to shoot. It's going to shoot a lot flatter. It's going to shoot a lot flatter because it's got a lot more gunpowder in it.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to come down.
Down a bit lower
Yeah.
to be able to allow for it.
Exactly. Good job. Can you see me?
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to do the 17 HMR, which is a big round like the Magnum. So once again, we just come into here, loosen that off. Ooh, that barrel's warm. That's it.
And a 300, I think, the single shot 300. All mounted on the 130. Don't have a iron.
It's securely in, 5.5 cinched, and there we have it. The new barrel. Keep rolling. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. What the hell are you doing? I'm just going to show you the new ammo.
Yeah. The way he shot,
Okay, so we've got that one there, which compared. This is the 22 Magnum, and that's the 22 HMR, the Magnum version of the 17.17. So we're going to use that one now. And cut. Good work. Okay, so now we're changing to this barrel, which is the 17 Mark II, This is the 17 HMR barrel, so we're going to change that out now. Are you ready?
And we can see that you've got the lid there.
Let's get back and
Now
give the
we come
audience.
back.
There we go. Oh, Arnold Schwarzenegger sound. Did you hear that?
The hills are alive with the sound of music, with songs they have sung for 1,000 years. The hills fill my heart with the sound of music.
Right. Back there. And we're cinched in. Okay, the range is closed. Flags in. They're just closing the range, and we'll get back to you later. Thank you.
My heart wants to sing every song it hears.
So we're going to collect our target from the 100. So all 4 barrels now have been sighted into 100.
We did it.
We annihilated that clay over there by aiming off. It's called aiming off when you don't use the centre target.
Oh,
You won't-
okay.
Yeah. So we're going up now to collect ours. And pretty much every barrel with that ammo is hitting into the 1-inch circle in the centre. So that's a good headshot of a rabbit or something like that. So here we go. So you can see that the 22, we finally got 2 shots in there. So that was done. And then this was good, the grouping of the Magnum, 22 Magnum. And these ones here were from the 17 HMR, and the last one was the zippy little one. We just got it into the centre there, moved it in. So that's very good.
So you got 2 in the same hole?
Yep, 2 in the same hole there. No, that was yours. You hit there,
Yeah.
then you hit there, and I said, have another one. Then you hit there, then you hit there. I said, right, give me the gun back. Give it back.
I love it.
But we finally got it. I mean, we can hit these easily now with every round. So they're the shotgun cartridges. So that was good. It's all done and dusted. Just collecting this guy's. We've been here since 10, was it 10:30? I think I got here. And what's the time now? Here. Oh yeah, I've got to get the flag. So what's the time now?
Oh, time now is 2:15.
All right, so I've got to go up and take the flag down. Stay here, you'll twist an ankle.
To boldly go where no one else has gone today.
A little Joe Biden run. Joe Biden, little trot and a run. Thank you. Hello. All right, we're done. So this is all the rests and all that kind of stuff. So that goes there. But these items here, the ammo and the rifles and rifle parts, I have to chain them into the car. So you have to be born with the skills to use a camera. I'm convinced of that. It's not something you can learn. Right, here we go. So I've got to put it in here. And then now I thread this metal wire through, so I chain the rifle and the ammo together, and then I just, you can see there, I just padlock it, padlock the chain onto there, and we're secured. When the police pull me over, I'm abiding by all the rules they set down. Well, I'd like to thank you today for watching, and hope that you'll come again to see something exciting on this escape that is so great. A Red Fox conglomeration. Like, subscribe, and share.